What's up, guys? We are back out here at Lake Burton. It is a little cold. It's actually not bad weather, but it's been kind of cold up here this weekend. Finally got back on the skis to kick back the channel going. So we got Taylor out here on his Stage 1 Riva Racing RXP 300, and I'm actually on the 230 GTX. But we're gonna race the two skis and put mine in sport mode and put his in touring mode to see, you know, what's the difference between a 230 and a 300 with a Stage 1. But since that's an RXP, it has a different hull design. This hull design's faster than that hull design if it had a 300. So we're gonna see what the 230 can do to keep up with the RXP, just to see how bad it beats me, because he's obviously gonna beat me. I'm gonna get the start on him, see how long it takes him to catch up with me. We're gonna run a camera angle from his ski and from my ski, so let's get it. All right, so I'm starting sport mode, VTS down, and I'm gonna trim up as we go. Put yours in touring mode, and just, you know, we'll get the same hit, but you can catch up because you're gonna be in touring. I'm in sport, so. All right, you call it.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
So as you see, the RXP, even in touring mode, catches quickly. And I mean, I was only hitting like 64, I think. I was hitting like 67 earlier when it was colder this morning, but.
All right, this is the view from the RXP. This is in touring mode. The GTX is in sport mode. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go!
So as you see from both skis, RXP walks all over the 230, which stock the RXP would probably be a little bit of a better race, which even the GTX would stay with it for a minute because he'll start hitting chop, but once it's flat, the RXP is going to pull away, especially with that Stage 1 on it. So, but hope y'all enjoy the video. Hope the comparison helps y'all out if y'all are deciding on skis. So more content soon to come. I'll keep y'all updated. Thanks for watching.